Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are targeting whiting on Georges Bay in Helens, Tasmania with my mate Jack from Hobart. So I'll let you get into it and I hope you enjoy the video. Cheers.
It's alright, but you can take me. I got one. I have one. Alright, what a little yabby. Sand yabby. Just gonna put it for a little shank hook. And we're just catching some whiting. So
A bunch of whiting.
a bunch of whiting. Let's chuck her out.
Gotta double up.
Do it.
I'm on the bottom.
Yep.
I'm from your spot.
You're saying? Yep. Oh yeah.
Yours.
Shit. Good.
Oh, that's fun.
Unhook her. Lovely. Little yabby. Atomic arrows.
Try and get the whiting. Shouldn't take long at all. On the bottom. Getting bites straight away. Bunch of whiting just sitting there. On the bottom. Straight away. Already got bites. Let him eat through. There we go. Got him.
Good fish.
Oh yeah.
Not bad. Lovely little King George whiting. Lovely.
Little sand yabby. Atomic arrows.
Sand yabby.
On the bottom. Got the bites already. Already eat it. Double up. Oh yeah. Both on the atomic arrow. There you go, there's one. Everywhere. I'm already getting bites. You?
Yep.
Ready?
Yes, I am. Go. Yep. I've got a good one. I've got a really good one.
That guy. These rods are the best.
Yeah. Sand yabby. Just gonna
Oh,
pass through it. Just there. Cast her out. Good bites there. And oh, he wants it.
got him.
Lovely. Feels it right too. Nice little yabby.
Try to get a whiting on it.
Straight for the tail. Atomic arrows. Estuary. 1000 Chamara-Naski. Just cast it out. Oh, Jack's on. Oh yeah, Jack. Get her in, boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jack. Tank.
Alright guys, that's the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't really long, but better than nothing. So, should be a bit more footage coming soon. And thanks for watching. Cheers.